my name's Clara.
I'm Natalia Vedri.
I'm Kim Walters.
Zadar.
Erin.
My name's Alyssa.
Croatia is home to 8 stunning national parks and 12 captivating nature parks, covering nearly 10% of its territory as protected natural areas. From serene lakes to rugged cliffs, every park tells a unique story. Imagine working in a place where nature inspires you every day, where your breaks are filled with fresh air and stunning views. Welcome to Croatia, where remote work meets adventure. Through this series, we'll take you to 5 of Croatia's most stunning parks. Known for its tranquil saltwater lakes and lush green landscapes, Mljet is perfect for those seeking peace and serenity. A haven for hikers and wildlife enthusiasts, Risnjak's dense forests and mountain peaks showcase the untamed beauty of Croatia. Famous for its dramatic canyons and rock climbing trails, Paklenica is where adventure meets nature. One of Europe's largest wetlands, Kopački is a paradise for birdwatchers and nature lovers. And with its iconic waterfalls and rich cultural heritage, Krka is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Croatia. Walk and work is about finding balance, connecting with nature while staying productive. It's a chance to recharge your mind, explore new places, and enjoy the freedom of remote work. Croatia is ready to inspire your next adventure. Join us on this journey and discover how to walk, work, and explore in harmony.